now that we've potted up our plant, it's time to add a few habitat elements to help out all our local critters that are around the place. This is something that doesn't need to be overthunk. Creating habitat for our animals is relatively easy, and it can be as simple as placing a few rocks in around our pot to create a bit of habitat and shelter for them. When we're doing this, we want to aim to kind of create little nooks and crannies that the animals can get and hide in. Another element that we can put in is a bit of mulch. Mulch is great. It helps our little animals out as well as our plants. So it provides habitat and home for lots of little creatures and ants and bugs, and at the same time helps our plant by helping retain moisture. Another element that we can add to our nature blocks is a small dish of water to help out our little animals and bugs and give them a place to drink. So this doesn't have to be complicated. For here, I'm just using an example. I've got a terracotta pot that I'm just flipping upside and using the tray at the bottom. And so by creating a small dish of water, and by then placing a few rocks in it, we're creating a bit of habitat for small lizards and bugs to come in here and have a drink. So one thing to watch when we're doing this is we just want to make sure that the bugs and critters have some sort of escape route out of the dish of water. So just make sure that your rocks and sticks have some sort of elevation out of the water so that they can rest on it and get out if needed. A lot of our lizards also really love sunning themselves in a nice sunny spot. So if you can position your nature block in a nice sunny spot, there's nothing better than getting a nice big rock that you can place either in your pot if it's big enough or around your pot. The lizards will love you for that.